A very difficult game, no? We know that China improved a lot the last 4 months. It's not the same team that we play in Malaysia. They have 4 or 5 new players, they have a new coach, and I think we cannot think that's gonna be a game that we play in Malaysia. No, gonna be very very cool, very very tough. For sure, we're gonna give our best for continuous making history. No, we get for first time the semi-final, but we want to continue dreaming. For sure, we're gonna try to be in the final, but we must know that's gonna be difficult. Really, I don't mind now. Now my target is try to beat China, and the important is we be in the final. No, and this is our target now. Try to beat China. If in the other semi-final we win one or another, is the same. Are two very good teams, but our main problem now is try to win China. You know, everybody thinks that's gonna be easy. I repeat, it's different team from Malaysia. They have 4 or 5 new national players of China. They have a new coach, one of the best coach of Asia. Gonna be very difficult.